Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin. Today's video is an instant cleaning motivation, and so if your list is long and your time is short, then this video is for you. So I did a video like this not long ago, and you guys really seem to like it because there are just a lot of days for us where we don't have an entire day to devote to cleaning. And as a matter of fact, in most of my all-day cleaning videos, I'm not cleaning from start to finish. There are times when I take breaks to do other things, and I'm basically fitting in my cleaning wherever I have those pockets of time. Today's focus is in the kitchen, and I'm starting with our cabinetry. I am dusting from the top down because this way any dust that gets knocked onto the floor can be dealt with at the end, and I'm not redepositing where I've already cleaned. To make my cleaning time more enjoyable, I like to diffuse some essential oils and treat myself. And my favorite source for essential oils is Simply Earth. They have 100% pure essential oils at a third the price of the major brands. You can buy oils individually at Simply Earth, or you can subscribe to their monthly recipe box. Use my link found in the description box along with the code FAITHANDFLOURFREE to receive a $40 gift card from Simply Earth when you start your subscription. You will also receive a big bonus box full of things to help you make all of the great recipes that are included in the boxes each month. There's no obligation, you can cancel at any time, and it's a great way to try out essential oils or learn new ways to use the ones you already have. Each month you'll receive 4 essential oils. This month is Citrus Burst, which is a custom blend, grapefruit, copaiba, and juniper berry, along with recipes and extras that you'll need to make those. One of the recipes each month is for a diffuser blend, and these are the ones that I probably look forward to the most. For the August box, it is called Citrus Summer, and it's made up of 2 drops of grapefruit essential oil, 3 drops of the Citrus Burst blend, and 1 drop of juniper berry. This blend is so fresh and energizing. It's just the thing I need to help me along with my cleaning today. One of the most frequently asked questions here at Faith and Flour is, how much time do I devote each day to cleaning, or how long did it take me to do a particular cleaning routine? So I actually don't time myself. I feel like that's really the wrong approach. If you just have an hour to devote to cleaning, then just go through your list and get as many things done in that period of time as you can. If you have 10 minutes, do the same. That's more my approach. So I'm never really thinking about how much time is something going to take. I just start. And I have an idea for a video where I'm going to explain this a little bit more and my thinking on this. And it has a lot to do with developing routines that work for you. Developing a cleaning routine that works for you looks something like making a list of the things you want to accomplish in your home and then putting them in order according to the priority. So at the top of the list will be the things that you most want to accomplish. And you start with those and you just work your way through the list throughout the week. And eventually this becomes a routine so that you don't even have to think about it. And when you have those spare moments, you just pick up your duster, you pick up a microfiber cloth, you pick up a broom or the vacuum, whatever it is, and fill that time with something off of your list. And by the end of the week, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. The dusting is finished, I grab a microfiber cloth, I dampen it with some water, and then I start wiping the cabinets. And on the upper cabinets, I don't worry about reaching all the way to the top because that's not an area where we are touching. I'm most concerned about the areas where we have fingerprints and smudges, so that's most often around the handles. And then you'll see on the lower cabinets, I will wipe the whole thing down, and that's because we have a dog, or if you have little kids, the same would apply because those are areas that get touched a lot more frequently. While using my microfiber cloth, I will periodically stop and rinse them with some hot water just to release any dirt or bacteria that they've accumulated. So I do that pretty often while I'm cleaning the cabinets, and I'm not showing you each time I do it, but I just wanted to let you know. And also I grab my gloves. I don't usually need to wear gloves when I'm just cleaning with a microfiber cloth and water, but as you all are probably experiencing, my hands are so much more dry, and I'm trying to protect them because I'm washing my hands and using hand sanitizer more than ever before. Cleaning the sink is one of those tasks that you can easily do when you have a little bit of downtime. It just takes a couple minutes and it's really satisfying. So today I'm using this miracle shower cleaner that I have been showing you guys lately, and it's really just 50% vinegar and 50% dishwashing soap. The vinegar gives a little boost to the dishwashing liquid, giving it a little bit more grease cutting power, and it works great on the stainless steel. So I like to work it in with this brush, and I always get lots of questions about this brush, so you can find it in my Amazon store, and you can find the link for that in the description box. When I'm short on time, I like using this dust mop head made for the deep clean mop from eCloth. This is such a fast way to pick up fine particles, pet hair, things like that, and it's amazing what it picks up and how little time it takes. you can see, in just a few minutes time, I was able to knock off a couple of things from my list for this week, and I hope that it gave you the motivation and inspiration to do the same in your home. If you like videos like this, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. It's easy, absolutely free, and when you activate the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video so you won't miss out on anything. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to talking with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great week.